You have been selected to draw this form. A matrix matrix. But I don't know how to do matrices.
It's okay, Vanessa. Matrices are really simple to do.
Really? Then teach me.
Alright, I will. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, a matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers in rows and columns.
Wait, you forgot something.
And that is?
Well, for you to determine the matrices, you look at their rows and their columns. For example, this one right here is a 2 by 2, and this one is a 2 by 3. 2, 3, 5, and 7 are the rows. 2, 5, 3, and 7 are the columns. In the other example, 2, 3, 1, 5, 7, and 9 are the rows. 2, 1, 7, 3, 5, and 9 are the columns. This is where it gets tricky. When adding and subtracting matrices, the dimensions have to be equal in order to be simplified. If the dimensions are not the same, they cannot be added or subtracted. However, when you multiply the matrices, the dimensions of the column have to match the matrices and the rows of the same as above, just as the ones here. It can be multiplied if you multiply these two together, but they cannot be added or subtracted.
Wow.
This is so much clearer to me.
Surprising to me.
Yeah.
Okay, Vanessa, this is a 2 by 2 matrices of adding and subtracting. First lesson, you have to sit down. Don't get radical with me.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay. Well, the first one is adding matrices. You have a 2 by 2 matrices to add them. It's a okay, the first one is 2 and 5, negative 9 and 1 are the rows. 2, negative 9 and 5, 1 are the columns. The next matrices, 8 and 6, 7 and 3 are the rows, and then 8 and 7, 6 and 3 are the columns. Okay, when you're simplifying them, you have to do it across. So, as of this, 2 plus 8, negative 9 plus 7, 5 plus 6, and 1 plus 3. Your equation will lead to 10, negative 2, 11, and 4. That's your simplified answer of the first equation of adding matrices. The second one is subtracting matrices. In this one, you as well have a 2 by 2 equation. Negative 12, 6, 5, and 3 are your rows. Negative 12 and 5, 6, and 3 are your columns. Your second matrix is 2, negative 4, 9, and 7 are your rows. 2, 9, negative 4, and 7 are your columns. Excuse me, Raisa, some people actually want to learn.
Yeah.
Right, Vanessa?
Yeah. Right, Vanessa?
Oh my goodness. Simplify them across as well. Negative 12 minus 2, 6 minus negative 4, 5 minus 9, and 3 minus 7. Your simplified answer would be negative 14, 10, negative 4, and negative 4. This is how you do adding and subtracting matrices. To check them again, make sure you have the right dimensions. That's how you are able to do it. Get it?
Yeah.
Good to know.
It is.
Don't get cocky with me again. Alright, this lesson's about multiply by a scalar.
I think I can teach you that one.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I got the hang of it.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Okay, now you sit down.
Okay.
Yeah.
As you can see here, we are multiplying by using scalar. In a matrix algebra, a real number is often called a scalar. In multiplying a matrix by a scalar, you multiply each entry in the matrix by the scalar. This process is called scalar multiplication. As you can see here, here's an example of 5 being multiplied by 3 by 3 matrices. 5 is being multiplied by negative 5, 2, 3, 9, 10, negative 1, 4, 7, and 6. To simplify this even more, you multiply negative 5 times 5, 5 times 2, 5 times 3, 5 times 9, 5 times 10, 5 times negative 1, 5 times 4, 5 times 7, and 5 times 6. Your end result and the answer would be negative 25, 10, 15, 45, 50, negative 5, 20, 35, and 30, as you can see right here in the blue. See how easy it was?
Yeah, really easy. Surprised. You got a hang of it so fast.
I know.
Goodness. I think I get it. Do you get it, Miss?
Yeah, I always got it.
Oh, really? You always got it?
Well, as I said before, I always knew how to multiply matrices, but now I'm going to show you guys that I know how to do it. I'm going to show you guys how to multiply a 2 by 2 matrix times a 2 by 2 matrix. In this example, we have A, 3, 4, 0, multiplied by 2, negative 7, 6, and 1. Well, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to multiply 8 times 2 and then 3 times 6. That will give you 16 plus 18. They're both positive numbers. Then you move on to the next column, which will give you 8 times negative 7, which is negative 56, 3 times 1, which is 3. You move on to the next row. 4 times 2 equals 8, 0 times 6 equals 0, obviously. 4 times negative 7 equals negative 28, and 0 times 1 equals 0, once again. When you simplify these answers, you will get a final matrix. Obviously a 2 by 2 because you're multiplying 2 by 2 with a 2 by 2. 16 plus 18 equals 34. Negative 56 plus 3 equals negative 53. 8 minus 0 is obviously 8. And negative 28 minus 0 equals negative 28. This is how you multiply a 2 by 2 matrix. Do you finally get matrices? Because I'm so happy I did it already.
Mission complete.